Hello guys, today I'm gonna show how to reset inspection on the Opel Meriva 2003. This inspection. So we need this trip button, and that's it. So first step is press and hold it. First step, press and hold it, this button, and turn ignition on. So press and hold it and turn ignition on. So that's it. Release it, turn off, and the inspection light is reset it. So thanks for watching.